If Customs does a random exam on a container and they find that everything is fine, do we still get charged?
Yep. If Customs does an exam, all that matters is that somebody did a thing to that container. And something that a lot of folks don't really take into consideration, Customs is not the one making money on those exams. Those exams are charged by the terminal. They're charged by the CES, the Customs Exam Station. CBP does not make a dime off of those exams. So that's why they vary from port to port, because the terminal has the right to decide what they do and don't exam and how much they charge for it. So unfortunately, yeah, no, that those fees are going to get charged because basically what's happening is somebody is doing a job, and as they see it, they need to be paid for the job that they do.